I think I've just witnessed the stupidest thing I've ever seen in my life over here at Scientific Lee's channel. Look, he's a flatard. Okay, I'm just going to let this play. He'll hang himself for you. This is his moon. He's moving it around again. The moon sits still, Lee. It's not rotating, you fucktard. We turned onto our side. The shadow's moving too, you stupid fuck. Jesus Christ, this guy's an ignorant fool.
Counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. Slow. Counterclockwise. Move to the other side. And counterclockwise. So yes. This is the phenomenon I'm talking about. Turn it like a clock. This is obviously a northern hemisphere video. Because it's turning clockwise.
Every night in your sky, it will rise wax and set wane.
Oh, and welcome to Science. Today, going around 2" by 1" 2" minute. That's the north. That's the south. That represents the moon. It's close to it, just made out of metal. Staying where it's supposed to. Now, certain channels, Scaremonkey channel on YouTube, are saying that the moon keeps rolling clockwise across the sky, doing cartwheels clockwise. These would be channels like Guru, Angry Catfish Greeks, and Catfish Corners. Now these gentlemen believe that the moon is rolling clockwise across the sky every day because the planet has turned on its side.
It is, it has.
This actually rotates, so that would lead us to believe that the moon is...
Look at this, watch. He's a fucking idiot. Flatard! Flatard! The moon doesn't move! You fucking flatard!
This is just to show a simple experiment that kind of objects to that analogy, because this actually...
Jesus Christ, Lee. The moon doesn't move around the earth. You fucking flatard, cocksucking fool. So after reading some of his comments, I really think Lee is a flatard. He's got flatards over here clapping hands for him. Talking about we are on a spinning disc rotating slower than the hologram moon. Ha ha!